Let me start by visualizing the iTunes through sketches. I want the shape to be very simple but still represent the concept that inspired me. So I think that the best shape for the pouch would be a square with rounded corners. Not many details for sure. I would like to add a little handle so it would be easier to use and hold. So approximately it would look like that. Now it is time to decide the size of it. The size of the zipper that I have is 27 centimeters, where 24 centimeters is zipper itself, and the ends are about 15 millimeters each. This is the measurements that I'm going to start with. So if the width of the pouch is about that size, I assume that the height of it will be approximately there. And just a quick check if there is enough space for the zipper functions easily and the gap at the end is not too big. So putting all this together, I estimate that the zipper pouch ideally would look like that. The size is 27 times 14 centimeters and the logo is placed on the top. The little D-ring on the side will help to attach the holding strap, which will be done separately. And now it is time for making a pattern. This time I make it of the cardboard as well, and during doing this I can think through the next step of the creating process. At first I make the pattern for size 27 times 14 centimeters with rounded corners on the one side, and this pattern will be used for the reinforcement material that will create the main structure of the pouch. As I decided to fold edges of the leather, it will be much easier to fold it around the reinforcement. I will use the same pattern for the silicone reinforcement that is supposed to make the inside surface of the pouch a bit softer and make the pouch itself a bit thicker. And the same pattern again will be used for the fabric lining of the pouch. It might sound a bit complicated at the moment, but later I will explain how it all will work together. As soon as the first pattern is created, I use it to get the shape of the second one, and this one is going to be used for the leather itself. It has to be bigger because, as I mentioned before, I'm going to fold leather edges, and I assume that adding 1 centimeter on each side will be enough. I also slightly cut the corners so nothing sticks out at the end. There will be some small details like the zipper ends and the one that is going to hold the D-ring. It is good to make those too, so you can place it on some of the leftovers to see if it can be used. And when all the parts are done, we are moving to the next step.